Good morning or good afternoon, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Jasmine. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy GlamBag Plus for this month of April, and hopefully you guys are excited to see what I've got for this month. So other than that, before I do start off with this video, please don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new to my channel, and also turn the notification bells on so you guys don't miss none of my videos. So other than that, let's go ahead and get started.
3, 2, 1, I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling.
Alright, you guys, so here I have my Ipsy bag, and I'm going to show you guys the printable of the bag for this month, and this is what the bag looks like for this month of April. And also it goes really well because it is the month of Earth Days, which I think is really awesome. Love the colors as well, and loving the colors of this bag print as well. And this one is in red. So here inside of my bag, I do have my 5 products like they always do. So in case if you guys didn't know, this Ipsy GlamBag Plus is a $25 monthly subscription. Just in case if you guys are wondering how much is this GlamBag right here. So it is a $25 a month. So for this time, I really didn't get to choose my products because I really missed out on the day when I was supposed to pick my selections. So they actually went ahead and customized the products for me, which I was really concerned because I didn't thought that they were actually going to send me some good items, but actually they did. So I already took a pick on it and got to play with it, so that way I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys. So in case if you guys didn't select yours, don't worry, Ipsy got you, don't worry. It depends on what you have as your profile. You know, they're gonna go based on that. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick what I got. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the little template that they usually send every month. So for this month is IPSYForceOfNature, and it says whether you love your naked face or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural for you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. So basically what this little template has inside is like a couple of few steps and tips that you guys can do for skincare, and you can definitely go ahead and just read this out once you get yours, because everybody gets this one right here. Now the only thing that this one doesn't come is the prices of it and the description about it, so I'm just gonna go along and tell you guys about the items that I got. So the first item that I have here is the item. Actually, it's called item, you guys didn't even know that, but it's actually called item. And this is an overdue extra intensive moisturizer for dry skin, which I usually have that problem. So this is something that I actually love having in my bag, the moisturizer. The moisturizer is something that you guys must have and must wear all the time, so that way your skin doesn't dry up so much. And especially now, you know, during the summer and the cold weather, you know, you gotta make sure that you guys always moisturize your face. So here's what the bottle looks like from up close. Now this is actually retail for $20. Now this is a 50 millimeter full size moisturizer, and this is perfect for drier skin types. This ultra rich, fast absorbing moisturizer deeply hydrates without feeling sticky, thanks to argan oil, murmur butter, and magnolia extract. So basically what you do with this is you graft a little bit and apply it on a fresh cleansing skin. You can use this for day and night. So if you guys receive this, let me know in the comments down below, so that way I know if you guys had already tried it and if you like it or not. So like I said, I really love wearing moisturizer creams and all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in with the second item. So here I have the Nude Intuitive. Okay, let me go back. So here I have the second item, which is the Nude Intuitive Vision, which is this palette right here. Now, at first, when I received it, I thought it was like a duplicate palette because I had previously received these last month, but it was in a different color of palette. Now, this one is actually different. Now, this one does come with new colors, which I'm about to show you. So this is what the palette looks like from up close. I don't know if you can see the screen from the camera, and it does show the names of the and the back as well. Now, this palette is actually retail for $30. And this is what the palette looks like from up close. Now, I've already went ahead and used it. So the colors that I'm actually wearing right now, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's actually from the colors of these palettes. So I did went ahead and use it to smoke it out. And the colors that I used were this one right here, and actually all these colors down here. Where I'm actually wearing all those colors. Now, I wanted to do a video to show you how to do it, but I didn't want this video to be too long because I've done a lot of videos from my Ipsy where I do the unboxing and the review as well, and I really don't seem to have a lot of views. Like, people really don't want to see that, I guess. I don't know. I guess they just want to know what you get in the bag for the month. So I skipped it this time. So I won't be doing that review just in case if you guys were expecting that. But I can definitely go ahead and do that in a separate video. Just let me know as well in the comments if you guys would like to see that, me trying out all of the products. But like I said, I'm actually wearing it right now. I love the colors. They're neutral colors, and it just goes perfectly with for any day occasion. You can wear it for, you know, day or night. So you can definitely just go ahead and play along with all of these colors down here. So I really love this palette, and I've loved the other palette that they sent me, and I'm just glad that I have both of them now, which I think is really awesome as well. And if you guys got it as well, please let me know so that way I know if you guys enjoyed it as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip in with the third product, and here I have the Kvossnyx highlighter, I guess, yeah, luminous highlighter palette, which is this one right here. And this palette does come included with 3 different shades as well. So here I have the Kvossnyx highlighter, luminous highlighter palette. I don't know if that's how you say it, but this is a Kvossnyx highlighter. And this is what the highlighter looks like from inside. It does have 3 different colors in here, which is a shimmery ivory, in pearly pink, and warm gold shade. I don't know which one it is of these both of them, but I think that's what it's called. And this one right here is actually retail for $36, which I think is really expensive just for 3 highlighters. But this is what the palette looks like, and it does got some nice warm colors into it as well. Like I was mentioning, this is a cruelty-free palette, and I honestly haven't tried this brand before, but I have tried the brand from this one right here. So like I said, my recommendations to that is I do recommend it. So if you guys are afraid to try on different things, just go ahead and just try it, because you guys are probably going to end up liking it. So I actually went ahead and applied the highlight as well. I don't know if you guys can actually see it from up here, but I did went ahead and apply all 3 of them in here, just, you know, to give it up a glow, to give my face a glow look. So I'm actually wearing it, and I really like it. And I just like the fact that everything that I got here in my bag for this month got me the chance to create this look that I'm actually wearing. So if you guys like how it looks, then you guys are going to enjoy it if you've received it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in with the 4th product. Yeah, so I'm going to go in and jump in with the 4th product, which is actually one of my favorite brands. And this is from Thrive Cosmetics. Now, I did receive 2 fuller lip liners, which is in shade Devin and Gislin. Now, these lip liners right here are actually amazing, you guys. You don't know, you guys have to see it from myself. You guys, look, I'm actually wearing the shade Gislin. I think that's how you say it. It's called Gislin. So these are the names right here. And these are semi-permanent micro pigment technology lip pencils. And these Thrive Cosmetics lip pencils are actually valid for $40, but I'm just glad that I came out with two of these, so you can use these to define and plump your lips. So if you guys have the lipstick, for example, you can definitely go ahead and use that on top of that, and it will make it more fuller, which I really love. So I really got to try both of them and I really love it. I'm actually wearing one right now and I love how it looks, and it's a long lasting as well. So if you guys are looking for something that will last, you know, all day long, you can definitely go ahead and try this on and just, you know, retouch it every once in a while if you guys have to, but necessarily you won't have to do that, to be honest. So if you guys enjoy these actually retail for $40 once again. So I'm gonna go in with the last item, which are these brushes right here, and this is from Shaina B, Miami. Shaina, I hope I'm not saying it wrong, but this is a set of 5 brushes right here, and I actually didn't go ahead and use them at all for this makeup look. I just didn't want to ruin them, so let me go ahead and pull them out. All right, guys, so here are the brushes, and I went ahead and pulled it out of the bag. So here we have a shadow blush, not a blush. So here I have a shadow brush right here, which is this flat one right here. And you can definitely go ahead and use this to apply it and prime it into your lids. And then you have these eye cut crease, which is this little round one. And I really love the fact that these are actually really soft. And then we have the blending, which is this bigger one as well. And then here's the smudge brush, and you can definitely go ahead and apply that has like in the inner corner or however you guys want to use it. But then you have this one right here, which is the concealer, which is a lot bigger than the smudge brush, but in a bigger size. You know, you can go ahead and apply some concealer underneath or use it to do your cut crease, you know, and apply this on as well. You can definitely use this. You can just go ahead and use the brushes however you guys feel like it, or however you think is going to be helpful for you. I usually don't follow the steps. I just grab a brush, whatever I think is going to help me a lot, and I just use it. So these brushes right here, if you guys like it, these are actually valued for $60, which are really expensive as well. And by the way, these brushes are super pretty, and I also have a palette of this as well. Love the brand of these cosmetics, and I just think these 5-piece kits you guys are gonna be, you know, loving it as well, because you can definitely create any smoky eye look that you guys want. And they are super soft, like I said, and you can definitely build up any makeup that you guys want to. So these brushes right here are vegan and they're cruelty free as well, so you guys don't have to worry about, you know, using other brushes that are not cruelty free. But anyways, you guys, if you guys enjoy these brushes as well, I'll be leaving some of the description, some link in the description for you guys to check it out if you guys are interested in purchasing these brushes. But like I said, you guys, I have already tried most of all of the brands that I've received in here for this month. Now the only one that it was new for me, it was this Kvossnyx highlight palette and the item brand. These are just the two that I haven't tried before, but like I said, I'm willing to try new things as long as, you know, it doesn't irritate my skin. You know, I'm good with that. So other than that, that is it for today's GlamBag Plus video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, so that way you guys don't miss when I post my videos in the future. So other than that, I want to thank you guys for watching, for being here, for coming back and wanted to see what I've got. So love you guys, take care, and I'll see you next time.
Side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide. This how we ride. Yeah, yeah, this how we